So if you're anything like me and you just stubbornly refuse to buy a new computer, then you might still have a 2012 MacBook Pro lying around. To cut a long story short, mine decided that the shift key was going to stick. Um, and it just constantly thinks the shift key is being pressed, which makes the computer basically unusable. I use it as a desktop plugged in at my desk into a monitor and an external keyboard, so not having the internal keyboard plugged into the motherboard isn't such a big deal because I don't use it anyway. However, in unplugging that, I also caused another issue in that it just won't turn on anymore because the power button is on the same circuit. Handy, right? So my dolphin bed sheets and I are going to show you how to turn your 2012 MacBook Pro on without a functioning power button. Today's exercise in inconvenience begins by removing every single screw from the bottom of the laptop, because that is exactly what you want to do when you're in a rush and you need to turn your computer on quickly. And that removes all the screws using a driver of screws. Nice. So yeah, just take the bottom off. Oh, I forgot to remove one. Lift the bottom off and take a gander over here. Okay, so I'm going to try and come at this at a sort of good angle. If you look at the logic board just here, you shall see, if I can, there we go, these two pads right in the centre, there, those ones. Let me see if I can point those out. There they are, these ones, right here. Let me just zoom out again. Oop. There we go, on the logic board there. So, I'm going to get a pair of tweezers and literally poke this very expensive piece of equipment and short out those two pads. So I've kind of got my computer opened like a tent, I guess. And, I don't know, maybe if you were like a cat or something, you could sleep under that. Anyway, point is, if I get the point and press these together, it boots.